climbing up Craig's heels. Adam with a 3.7, Joe 3.7, Joe 3.8, Craig 3.7. Adam saying, come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Adam 3.8, Craig 3.7, Joe 3.8. Craig bumped there back to first. All right, Craig and Adam swapping spots. I am just staying close to 3.7s, 3.75, 3.78. Joe down at 3.94. Ten laps to go there, guys. Craig 3.8, Adam 3.8, Joe 3.7. 5 laps to go, guys. Come up here, white flag, guys. Craig, Adam, Joe, you are all done.
The race is completed.
What?
Illegal fence.
Illegal what? Adam, it's 2:07. At dawn.
See you, Jess. See you guys.
I think it'd be 1:98. I didn't change gear.
Yeah, it is. I'm trying.
15 minutes again? Incorrect.
It is incorrect. You get yours warm?
No, but I can make it warm if you really want me to.
We'll go about another 15 minutes or so, so look for 2:20 start time. Legends up at 2:20.
Yeah, Billy does that. And look at him, he's fat.
Will it give me times?
It will in 2 seconds. I'm printing the heats real quick and then, yes. But your times are going to be junk with no body on it.
Well, I went down 5 teeth, so.